We're staying in our ground floor plan rev5.dwg file, and we're going to zoom into the top left corner and just pan down a little bit. You can see the grid lines there. Now, most dashed line objects in AutoCAD use what is called an LT scale, a line type scale. Now, if I hover over one of these grid lines, like so, can you see it's on the grid layer, Z030M grid, but the line type has its own individual line type, grid line 1, 2 there. So it's not set to by layer for the grid lines. So what we need to do is we need to change the layer properties on all of these grid line objects first. So I'm going to double click on the wheel again to zoom extents. I'm going to select one of the grid lines, and then I'm going to right click and use select similar on the shortcut menu. It then selects all of the grid lines because they're all similar objects. And you'll notice, can you see there that they're all using that grid line 1, 2 on the properties panel on the home tab on the ribbon. So we use the drop down and we're going to change that to by layer. Now, as soon as we do that, obviously all of these grid lines are going to change to that by layer setting for their line type. Hit escape a couple of times and zoom in on the corner again. You'll notice now they're using a continuous line type. Now there's a reason for that. If we go to our layer properties on the layers panel and we scroll down and find our grid lines layer, there it is there, Z030M grid, you'll see they're using a continuous line type. So we click on continuous and we select our grid line 1, 2, like so. We click on OK, and that now changes the layer property of all of the grid lines. So if I now close the layer properties manager and zoom out a bit, can you see they're all using that dashed dot line type that we've got there. But when I zoom out, they look continuous. So what we do need to do there is change the line type scale, and that's what this video is all about, that LT scale. Now, if I change the LT scale globally, it will affect all of the other objects that might be using different dashed line types. I only want the grids to change. So we're going to use select similar again. Click on a grid line, right click, select similar. This time it's just a case of right click and go to properties. That brings up the properties palette. The line type scale is currently at 1. Let's change that to 20 and press enter. And you'll see that the dashes get bigger. They're 20 times bigger. If I close the properties palette, hit escape a couple of times and zoom in on that corner now, those grids are much more obvious. Now you'll see that there's some gaps and some weird bits going on. So what you might want to do there is just update that line type scale a little bit. So select one of the grid lines again, right click, select similar, right click and go to properties again. Maybe try a line type scale of say 15. Type in 15, press enter, close the properties palette, hit escape a couple of times, and when you zoom out, that's much better. You can see that they're grid lines now, and they're not too clunky. The spaces aren't too big. So if you just double click on the wheel to zoom extents, and you can see there that the grids are a lot more obvious in your AutoCAD drawing because you've made some necessary layer and line type scale changes.